Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the noise reduction on your Facecam Neo from ELGATO. So you can see in the camera hub right here, if you scroll down you'll see processing, and you can find noise reduction, and it can be set to either off. Now there is some noise I can't see, but if I look in closely then I'll see some noise somewhere around here, especially in the background. Then if I set it to light, I can still see some noise but a bit less, and if I set it to high, then I probably won't see any noise. So you most probably will like to keep it at around medium, because if you set it too high, then the picture may look a bit blurred. So if you don't want it to look blurred or unnatural, then keep it on medium, or depending on your light conditions, you may want to even keep it at off. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.